Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by connecting accounts and creating the loan entry now. Open Money Manager Loan Tracker, link the bank or credit account so transactions import automatically. This saves time. Next, add a new loan. Type the lender, principal in dollars, interest rate as a percent, loan term in months or years, and set the payment frequency. Once done, enter the first due date and confirm the initial balance so the tracker can build the schedule. Now generate the amortization schedule so you can see each payment's principal versus interest. This tells you how your balance will drop over time. As payments occur, immediately record the date and amount and categorize how much goes to interest, principal, and any fees. If you make extra payments, log them as principal reductions so the tracker recalculates. Also set recurring entries or reminders to avoid missed due dates. This keeps the ledger accurate and your payoff estimate current. Finish by reconciling the loan monthly. Match imported bank transactions to the payments you recorded and flag any discrepancies. After reconciliation, export key reports, remaining balance, total interest paid, and projected payoff date to CSV or PDF for review or tax records. If numbers don't match, first check for duplicate imports, incorrect payment allocations, or time zone/date entry errors. Then verify.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.